Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today I have a special recipe for y'all and it's called Vaal Amti or Pavte Amti. This is a traditional Marathi recipe from Satara and it's so delicious. If you are ready, let's start. First we will soak the Vaal beans overnight to hydrate, adding double the amount of water of the beans. Now we drain them and cover and keep in a dark place until sprouted. It may take 1 to 2 days. See how beautifully they have sprouted? We will add in some lukewarm water and peel the shells off to reveal the pearly white beans. Look at how beautiful these beans look, and it took me about 40 minutes to peel them. Let's make the masala for the curry. Adding in garlic, dry coconut powder and coriander leaves. Grind them without water. Perfect. Let's make the curry. Once the oil is hot, we will add in the masala we made earlier. Saute for a minute or so that the raw garlic flavor goes off. Time to add in the beans. We will saute for another minute or two for the rawness of the beans to go off. Adding turmeric, and this is kanda lasun masala or kolhapuri masala. You can also replace it with any of your homemade masala. Salt is always as per your taste. Also adding paprika for color and roasted peanut powder for thickness. Mix well. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes coming your way. Always add hot water as per consistency you like. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until the beans are soft. Wow, look at how awesome it looks and the beans are perfectly cooked. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.